So I've been gone for a while. Hi guys, Keenan. It's Nate back at it with another video. So I've been gone for a while, for 2 months. Sorry about that. I had business to attend to, but I have not one, not two. I have 6 minifigures I need to open up today, and we got 2 sets. The Cute but Deadly Series 4, and we got the Retro Toys. Let's start with the retro toys. Okay, bing, bing, boom. You know what? I don't know none of these characters. I only know Mr. Potato Head, Stretch Armstrong, Glowworm, and Cavity Sam. That's pretty much it. Okay. Okay. You can tell me in the comments who are these people. Magic. I'm not gonna feel the bag because he's cheating. And we got Mrs. Potato Head. Yay, we got Mrs. Potato Head. Let's open box number 2. Okay, that's strange. Let's get the bag. And we got, I don't know this dude's name. You can tell me in the comments. I don't know his name. Oh no, he's from G.I. Joe, I think. I might be wrong, but I think he is. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to the Cute but Deadly. I'm just gonna move these out the side. Okay. So the characters you can get is I don't think I'm gonna say all of these correctly. Anna and Dwayne, Ava, Diva, White Bunny, White Rabbit, Carbine Fiber, Genji, Gen, Greymane, Mounto, Morahane, Necro, Marcy, War Chief, Savanless, Torby join, and Von Surfang. I'm pretty sure I say those correctly. If not, just tell me in the comments again. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so we got, oh, I think we got a mystery. Oh, we got a mystery. Hell yeah, we got a mystery. We got a mystery. Yeah. I don't know her name, but tell me in the comments. She's little tiny. Oh, she can't stand. Wait, does she come with the... Oh, yeah, she does come with the base. Okay, good. Yeah. It comes with a little tiny piece. Wait, yeah. Wait, yes. Yay, I can't believe we got a oh my god, I can't believe we got one of the mystery figures. Okay, let's go on the second one. Boom. We got Torby join. Yeah, we got Overwatch. Oh, Oh, he doesn't come. Oh no, he does come with the base. That makes sense because. Yeah. Wait. Oh. Okay. Boom, you go right there. Okay. Box number 3. Okay. I hope we get the Gen Gray name because I like purple. Okay. Well, we got Genji and Carver Fiber. Yay! This is another one I want. This one I wanted. Yeah. Two Overwatch characters in a row. Woo! Okay. Put him in. Oh wait, no, I think like this. Okay. Boom. And finally, last one. Okay. Oh, good. Maybe. Let's see what we got. And we got. Let me see her name. War Chief Sylvanas. She looks badass. She looks like a warrior. Okay. Oh, good. No. Good. Okay. Okay. Let me put her in. No, it's the other way. It's the other way. Okay. Boom. Fine. Okay. Now finally, a recap. We got someone from G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe. We got Mrs. Potato Head. We got a mystery figure. You can tell me in the comments because I don't know. I really like her color though. We got Turbojoin. I don't know. Turbojoin. We got Carver Fiber Genji. Then finally, War Chief Sylvanas. I hope you enjoy and bye.